So, this looks pretty easy this way.
Yeah.
Would you like to try to go back up that and then take a right?
Worth a try.
And here we go. And a mo. And a wishes. Do the dishes. See if I can see any of Brent. Oh man! Woo! Oh, did ya? Are you hung up? You think if you take a different line you'll be able to make it, or you got a tow point on the front? Okay, if not, I mean, I can always just winch you.
Yeah, I got a point.
Okay. All right, so try not to get ahead of the rope. Just let it pull you, but you kind of help it.
Yep.
And then in a little bit here, I'll start backing up, and then we can see, you know, because I'm sure this will be the next obstacle, but you might be able to make it with, you know, coming through here instead of going where I went. Because it looks like this side right here looks better. Okay. Okay. Well, let's get you up right about where you're standing, or the orange thing is. And yeah, because I think right here, because that over there looks like this was a little steep. Well, you can, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a rock, but I think if you go to the right of that, then you'll be able to, you know, my left, your right. And so we're off. He made it up the hill. A little help for the winch, but I think he could have done it. The 3 4-wheel drive trucks tried to make it up that hill and couldn't, and we did. So because of that, we get rewarded with an unused trail. How awesome is that? Oh, look at this. Look at this. I think we ended up where on our one Wisconsin trip with Brent, I think we took our lunch here. Hey, did we have lunch here?
Huh?
Is this looks like the circle we had lunch?
This is exactly where we had lunch.
Yeah, so I said like, hey, I recognize this.